ba jing ya tiong rai yang lang I kam rai riang la dang heni tip kringet wat rai lang do kon chlong la dang ni dang heni tip kringet wan pia kani ko wildlife department han pia to em kam ba yusno tilangi ya em tilangi ka hajing to wa kamu registry yi klo kentang yi klo bla jong I knang yu wanra yi skem yi ki vitwan ki raj tu em hapok elka kyong I kan te kermani yolti ne de yo wai penambram yi kan ki yong kesem hani rai yong lang o yolti saharai reliang kam jo saharai langdoi khanchrong bat sarai langdo nyau kmai di ba waro gini kirai to du em bat ki klo blai ki klo tang ki we he ki yar we em kam ri sumari wat yi sem gi do kimrat kimrang miulan ni tne ong sep wong ngew ni ba gi sem gi do kimrat kimrang to gura sembe gi dan gi so gernam na ku bi thau bi thau
wakawan karaj lene ka chnong lene ka kur kwa usumar usendong ye ka khlo ka jam kamjo le I kamrat ki mereng ye ki upan man ye ka dewa ye krelang chrup bagi department dewa notify lene ultimate ye ka de ka sarkar kam ka community reserve te karat yang lang man ka kuwin ka raj ka wada lai chakmat yo chem ye ka ni ka lat wa notify ya ka khlo kantang yong ki kam ka community reserve house name arajar khatn room ta sa chisien congratulate ay ka raj yang lang ka wada chem ye ka ni ka buksiar ko panman ye ka ta khlo yong ki ka khlo blai yong ki kam ka community reserve ka tai ka khlo man ko em ko jing he kam wa khat san point khat ar hectare thau ko man ki thau chong thau sa yong ki te ki holok gi ban le ne ki hulong ki sorry ki huleng ki wa da snya pi jing man toy de em ki hakini ki thau yong I ong sa wala da pi kular pi ala da pi kloi pi wan e ki te ki kloi yong pi kam ki community reserve e ko jing kular wa klempep do yo cho I kini ki community hall ne ki yung yong lang jar ki chnong jar ki ran ong wa ka state yong I to ka state ko de kar khu da ki khlo ki jam wo ki marat ki bon jai hapo kani ka north east yong I ka Meghalaya to ko wina ka state ko bon bha ki jai marat ko pher ta ka jing em yong ki ka marat ye ko pan kui ka yo ka kot yong ka chnong ka thau leng ba ka tourism wa ki wi tuan ki jai ki jai kre ki wo pan kui ka yo ka kot ki em lang ka sa lang yong I ka man ka ni hakani ka state yong I de emi nya pho khande tali ki community reserve ki wa em ka jing he hado anru hajar so phau hectare ta tentu kersu biang muso cisen ya wero kini ki chnong ki wa em harut yong ka ni ka wa mansar nado ka konchnong ka yong lang ka biar kam ter ki wa yi u yeda ya gini ki hulok kam jo le ye thau chong thau sa yong ki ong so wa le depan mani community reserve mdo pi ye jing mantre ya ka tu ka thau ne ba ka jok batai ni wa chwa open mani ye ka te community reserve chwa notified I do end the agreement hakata ke agreement ka kandon ko nang kong haite tho ai wa the ownership of the land will solely belongs to the owner what ki tre thau hi mkni I ka sarkar mkni ke jing mantre yong tu ka thau wa ju iporle ki wan ki rukom le niam ki ba jo pan jo hi thau ulai ki kam wa jo hi ongi wa all the rites and rituals performed by the organization will continue to do so as being done in the past wuro ki jing perking le ne ki jing bo kandon pi hakatu ko khlo uman ki kam jo hi na ka liang ka sarkar e ko ka assistant hai ka jing rap ko nang pan baha chu itu ko khlo de wo develop ki te ki wildlife habitat yong ki te ki wildlife le ne thau chong thau sa yong ki marat o chna ki check dam ulai hai ju ipor yo pan baha yi ki thau knya yong pi kamad yo ha ki yong lang ne hai ti dor upne I kata ka niam kurkom kerti ke dustur ke yong pi
request you all to declare a whole or a part of that as a community reserve so that we can protect the not only that entire habitat, but also the Bullock gibbon, which is, as my colleague James Posingaf has just told, that it's a very, very precious animal. It's the only species of ape which is found in entire India, and we are lucky to have it here. And so it's our duty, means each one of our duty to protect that habitat and that species. I can assure you that if you could notify that habitat as a community reserve, we can do some little work. We can have similar community hall there also, which can be utilized by the village community, because this, I am told that this hall is mainly utilized by the members of same race. But if that area is notified as a community reserve, we can try, and we are sure that we will get similar community hall, similar other infrastructures which we can use to protect that habitat and habitat of a key species.
We all know that this wildlife and flora and fauna, they are all part of our ecosystem, and our own existence depends on the existence of our cohabitants on the planet. Meghalaya has a very rich biodiversity, both flora and fauna, we know, and Forest Department has been putting in its best effort to preserve and conserve this in the best possible way. Our wildlife wing and also wildlife wing across the state, and the wildlife division, Jayanta Hills, also is doing a commendable job. My congratulations to them.